Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I welcome you to the Python crash course. In the last class we learned about the module 1, that is the basics of Python, how to write the syntax of Python and how do you handle the exception handling and how to write the loops, uh, iterative structures. Next we learn about how to create a function, how to define a function, how to call the function, and all basics we learn. The next concept we are going to learn is about the Python data types. So basically the four major types of data types in Python is list, tuple, dictionary and sets. So first concept we are going to learn about the list. So in list we are going to learn about how to create a list, the different methods of list we are going to learn. See, first of all, what do you mean by the term list? See, list means it is used to store the multiple items in a single variable, right? So, list means it is used to store the multiple items in a single variable. So, if I want to create a list, I'm going to use this square braces. So, my list is equals to list. Next, if I want to append the numbers, so my list is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Basically, it is the list of integers. The next it is a mixed data types. See, in a list we can write integers, we can write a string as well as the float also. If I want to create a nested list, basically nested list means a list within a list is called as a nested list. So mouse string comma, again inside that I'm going to write a list of integers comma a. So this is about the list. So a list is created by placing all the items inside the square braces. Basically it is separated by the commas. The next it is getting the individual values in a list. If I want to access the value in a list, I am going to use the concept of index. So always the index starts from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. See, for example, I am going to create a list. Span is equals to the list of animals. So if I want to access this rat, spam of 2 is equals to rat, like this. See, always we are having a two types of index, positive index and negative index. Positive index means basically it starts from 0. So negative index means from the right side we are going to start minus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is how to access the values in a list. The next I'm going to give an example of this one. First I'm going to create a list PROBE. If I want to access the individual values, I'm going to say I'm going to print my list of 0 means it will print P, like that. The next it is the length of a list. If I want to know what is the length of a list, I'm going to use the length function. Basically the length of span is 3. 3, right? 1, 2, 3, 3. The next it is the changing values in a list. See, we know if I want to access any individual values in a list, I'm going to use an index. If I want to change the values also, I'm going to write an index. See, first I'm going to create a list. Spam is equals to spam of 1 is equals to card. If I want to print this spam, so the first position, see here the first index position, it is being changed into aardvark, like that. Okay. So this is how we need to change. And spam of -1. The spam of -1 is elephant. I'm going to change this elephant into this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So spam of -1 is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to print the spam. So the output will be cat, bat, rat and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The next it is the concatenation as well as the replication. If I want to concatenate the two lists, I'm going to use the plus as an operator. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So it will print 1, 2, 3, A, B, C, guys. See, as we know that within a list there can be a n number of data types. There can be a mixture of data types also. That's important. The next is about the replication of a list. Basically, I'm going to create a list x, y, z into 3. So 3 times it will print x, 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 y, z, x, y, z and x, y, z. Okay. Removing the values from the list with the del statements. See, if I want to remove any, for example, cat, bat, rat and elephant. If I want to remove this rat, if I want to remove this rat means I'm going to use as a del as a statement. So del spam of 2, I'm going to print this spam. So this rat will be deleted. So if I want to remove any value in a list, I'm going to use a del as a statement. The next it is the working with a list. See, as we know that the list, it is used to store the multiple items in a single variable, just like an array. So consider how many, this is an example of that one. Next, using the for loop with a list. See in a list again we can use the loops also. For I is in the range of 4, I'm going to print the I. Basically, it will print the numbers from 0 to 3. 0 to 3. See again for I in. See, this is very important, guys, when we have to use this range function and when we should not use this range function. If I want to just print the numbers 0 to 3, I'm going to use the range function. So similarly, for I in 0, 1, 2, 3, I'm going to print I means it will print the numbers from 0 to 3 itself. This is both are also same. See, basically it is for I in. It is going to rotate it first. It will first for I is in. First it will go to this 0 and it will print the 0. Next for I is in 1. I'm going to print that particular number 1. So 0, 1, 2, 3 it will going to print vertically. The next we are going to learn is what do you mean by term in as well as the not in operators. See, in means whether the value is whether the value is present in that particular list, we are going to use an in operator. So if it is not present, it will show true. It is not present in the operator. For example, Audi in LOI. See, Audi is said to be present in this. Yes, the output is true. Next, I'm going to create a list. Spam is equals to hello, hi, howdy, yes. So cat, see, we need to put the string. Cat in spam, false. It will print false. Howdy is not in spam, false. It is present like that. So this is about the in as well as the not in operators. It is used to check whether that particular value is said to be present in a list or not. See guys, let us look with an example. My pets is equals to Zoofy. See, first we are going to create a list. I am going to print enter the pet name. See, print as well as first enter the pet name. So name is, see, this is important. See, if I want to take the input from the user. So print enter the pet name. Name is equals to input a function. So it will say enter a pet name. We need to enter that value. That particular value will be entered. If the name, if this is a variable, if the name is not in my pets, I'm going to print I don't have a pet name plus the name, else I'm going to print that. See, enter a pet name. I'm going to enter the pet name cat. I'm going to enter the pet name cat. So if this name, I'm going to say Akash. See, Akash, if it is not in this, I'm going to print this statement. I'm going to say I don't have a pet name, my name Akash. Else, see, see, I'm going to say a name is equals to Zuvi. So if Zuvi is said to be present in this, I'm going to print Zuvi is my pet. So we need to use the plus as an operator. So Zofi is my pet, name plus. The next it is the multiple assignment trick, guys. Multiple assignment trick. Basically, it is a shortcut that lets you assign the multiple variable with the values in a list in one line. See, for example, see, cat is equals to this one. So size is, I'm going to say cat of 0, cat of 1, cat of 2 is equals to this one. So it is going to print. See, instead of just writing each and everything, see, I'm going to create a list cat. If I want to access the individual elements, then I'm going to write the more lines of code it will be given. See, if I want to print all the values in a list in one single line of code means I'm going to say, see, cat is equals to this, size comma color comma deposition is equals to cat. So it will print all the values, guys, like that. See, instead of writing cat of 0, cat of 1, cat of 2 and printing individually in each line, this is a long line of code. So this is the multiple assignment trick. Basically it is a shortcut. So multiple variables can be assigned. Okay, so this is about example. The next one it is the argument assignment operator. See, this is also important. See, spam is equals to 42. Spam is equals to spam plus 1. The answer is 43. So instead of writing spam is equals to spam plus 1, so argument assignment operator means spam plus is equals to 1. So the answer will be 43 itself. The next is about the methods. See, this is one of the beautiful concept in Python. See, in C language, there are no shortcut methods for writing. See, if I want to sort a function, I'm going to use the bubble sort, quick sort I need to use. But in Python, we're having some of the shortcut methods, guys. So, individually, we're going to learn each of them. Very simple. See, some of the useful methods are index function, append function, see, append, insert, remove function, sort function as well as index. See, if I want to sort the value, I'm going to, the first one we're going to learn is our index method. See, index method means if I want to get the value of a list, any value of the list, I'm going to use the index function. Basically, it will return the index of the specified element in a list. See, for example, spam is equals to LOI this one. If I'm going to say spam dot index a function LO. See, basically LO is in the first position. It's in the 0th position. So it will print 0 like that. Basically, it will return the index of the specified element in the list. The next, guys, we are having a append as well as the insert function methods. See, append function means it will add the element at the end of a list. Just it will add the element at the end of a list. For example, spam is equals to cat, dog, bat. Spam dot append a function mouse. So this mouse will be appended at the end of a list. Bat, comma, mouse, like that. Basically, see, what's the first? Index function means it will return the index of the specified element. Append function means it will append that value at the end of a list. Insert means at which position we want to insert that element. At the first position, I'm going to insert the chicken. So output is cat, comma, chicken, comma, dog, comma, bat. So this is about the append and insert method. The next we are having a remove function method. See, remove function means if I want to remove that specified value in a list, I'm going to use a remove function. So spam dot remove bat. So the bat will be removed from the list. The next sort function, this is important. If we want to sort the values in ascending or descending, so we are going to use dot sort function. See, very important, guys. See sort function. See, spam is equals to this one, spam dot spat a function. So if I want to sort that, it will sort in the ascending or descending. See, very important, guys. See, sort function means basically it will sort in the ascending order. If I want to sort them in a descending order, I'm going to say key is equals to, see, if I want to sort them in a descending order, I'm going to use reverse is equals to true. That's it. Reverse is equals to true. It will sort in descending order. So these are different methods. See, we learned about the different methods of list are index, next append, insert, sort function will get. So apart from that, we are having copy function. Basically, it will return a copy of a list. Count function means it returns the number of elements with the specified value. The next we are having a pop. See, pop and clear. Pop means it will remove the element at the specified position. Clear function means it will remove all the elements from a list. So these are the different methods of a list. So this is about the concept of the list, guys. So we learned about the list data type. I hope this video is quite informative for you. So in the next class we are going to learn an example of a list and we are going to learn about the tuple data structure. Thank you.